Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2016 Dodge Charger, and in this video I will show you the fuse and relay location in case your horn is not working. This video will apply to Dodge Chargers made from 2011 all the way up to 2021. So both the fuse and the relay are located in a fuse box just under the front hood, which is right here. To lift the cover, you'll have two clips, one on this side, one on this side. You want to press them at the same time and lift the cover straight up. On the back side of the cover, you'll have a fuse diagram as well. So first you want to check the fuse number 11, which is the yellow 20 amp fuse located right here. So this is your horn fuse. Next thing to do would be to check the horn relay, which is relay number 41, and this is the one right here. So this is the relay number 41. To test it, you can always try replacing it with either one of these here and see if that makes any difference. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.